Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 14.3, question number 5, fifth problem. We have to divide these two. Now look at the question. Here we have p squared minus q squared. Here we have p plus q. So we have a formula, that is p squared minus q squared can be written as p plus q, p minus q. This is algebraic identity actually. A squared minus b squared can be written as a plus b, a minus b. The same way p squared minus q squared can also written in this way. Now the numerator is 5pq. Actually p squared minus q squared divided by, here we have 2p into p plus q. Now this p will get cancelled. Now the remaining terms 5q into p squared minus q squared can be written as p plus q, p minus q divided by, here we have p plus q. Now p plus q will get cancelled. Now the remaining term is 5q into p minus q. That is your final answer. Now we will move on to the next problem. If it is a whole squared, we can apply the identity like this, p squared minus q squared. Here we have 9 into x squared, 16 into y squared we have. So we have to write it. We know that 9 is also a perfect square number, 16 is also a perfect square number. So 9 can be written as 3 squared and the x squared. 16 can be written as 4 squared and this y squared. Now when two terms are having the square separately, that can be taken as a whole square. 3x the whole squared minus 4y the whole squared. So like this, taking common is possible only for the multiplication and the division. When we are having the addition sign in between, we cannot take the square as a common like this. Now this is a value for this one. Now actually our question is 12xy 9x squared minus 16y squared by 4xy 3x plus 4y is a question. Now instead of 9x squared minus 16y squared, we can write it as 3x the whole squared minus 4y the whole squared. Here this xy term will get cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So here we have only 1 3 is extra divided by, here we have 3x plus 4y. Now this is look like a squared minus b squared will be written as a plus b, a minus b. A value is 3x, b value is 4y. So 3x plus 4y is one term, and the next one is 3x minus 4y divided by 3x plus 4y we are getting here. These two will get cancelled. Now the remaining answer, here we have 3x minus 4y, that is, here we have one more 3 also. Don't leave that 3, write it here. So 3 into 3x minus 4y, that is your correct answer. We'll move on to one more problem now. Now here, looking at the previous one, 9 and 16, both are perfect square numbers, so we have written in this way. But 50 and 98, both are not a perfect square number. So what we should do is, we have to take a common term outside. For 50 and 98, both will come under which table? Means both will come under 2 table. Let us take the 2 outside first. So 39y cube will come as it is, multiple by 2 we are taking out. The remaining will be 2 into what number will give you 50, we have to think. So 2 into 25 will give you 50. Take this y squared. Minus 2 into what will give you 98? 49. Or else you can divide the 98 by 2 also, it will bring you 49. Divided by this term you can keep as it is, because we don't have any formula for this to write it. Now here the next step. Here always the first term should be written as a numerator, that is 39 y cube multiplied by 2 into 25 can be written as 5 squared y squared minus 49 can be written as 7 squared. Divided by denominator is 26y squared, 5y plus 7 we are getting. So 26, 39, both will come under 13 table. 13 2s are 13, 3s are we can cancel. This 2 also will be getting cancelled. Now the remaining terms, here 5 squared y squared can be written as 5y the whole squared minus 7 squared. Now here outside we have 3y cube. So here we have 3y cube and here 5y squared minus 7 squared by denominator we have y squared 5y plus 7. Now the numerators look like a squared minus b squared, that can be expanded. So 3y cube is outside, 5y plus 7, 5y minus 7 we can write, divided by, here we have y squared, 5y plus 7. So 5y plus 7, 5y plus 7 will get cancelled. Whenever we are getting the same base for the division, powers will be getting subtracted. So the answer will be 3 into y, 3 minus 2 we can write. When this comes under the formula, a power m by a power n can be written as a power m minus n. Like this, y cube, y squared can be subtracted. The remaining answer is 5y minus 7. That is a pending term in the numerator. So 3y power 1, 5y minus 7. That is your correct answer. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.